The Magical Fishing Trip. Once upon a time in a cozy little village by the sea, there lived a young girl named Lila. Lila had heard tales from her grandfather about a magical fish that lived in the deepest parts of the ocean, but she had never seen one herself. Every evening, she would sit by the shore, her fishing rod in hand, hoping to catch a glimpse of this legendary fish. Villagers would often join her, their silhouettes casting long shadows in the setting sun, but none had ever been lucky enough to catch the magical fish. One evening, as the sun painted the sky with hues of pink and gold, an old woman named Nana approached Lila. She had a reputation for knowing many secrets of the sea. "I've heard you're trying to catch the magical fish," Nana said with a twinkle in her eye. Lila nodded excitedly. "Yes. Grandfather says it has scales that shimmer like a rainbow." Nana smiled and handed Lila a tiny, shimmering feather. "This is a magic feather. Tie it to your fishing line, and it might just guide you to what you're looking for." Taking Nana's advice, Lila tied the feather to her line and cast it deep into the water. Hours seemed to pass, but just as the stars began to sparkle in the night sky, Lila felt a strong tug on her line. With all her might, she reeled in her catch, and to her wonder, there it was, the magical fish, its scales glistening in the moonlight, a sight to behold. It was even more beautiful than she had imagined. Lila was ecstatic but remembered her grandfather's words, "It's not about catching the fish, but about the journey and the memories you make." So, she gently unhooked the fish and whispered, "Thank you for letting me see your beauty." With a graceful swish of its tail, the fish dove back into the depths of the ocean, leaving a trail of rainbow bubbles. The villagers cheered for Lila, but she knew that the real magic was not just in seeing the fish, but in the adventure and the story she now had to tell. That night, as she lay in bed, Lila thought of the magical fish, the sparkling feather, and the wise words from both her grandfather and Nana. She realized that sometimes, the journey and the memories we create are more valuable than the destination. And with that heartwarming thought, Lila drifted off into a peaceful sleep, dreaming of more adventures to come. The end.